So class 5th, so today we will do the remaining exercise of unit 7. Page number, we will do the page number 59. So here do it yourself. इसमें एक do it yourself, read the following outlines of a newspaper item, then complete the news report that appeared in your school magazine. यहाँ पर कुछ न्यूज़पेपर में एक आउटलाइन निकली है, उसको हमें पढ़ना है, उसको कंप्लीट करना है. तो चलिए पढ़ते हैं. Results of All India Painting Competition out. Tarani first prize winner, broken record, announced best painter in all categories. Done school proud. Principal congratulate her. Invited her for tea by the President of India. So इसमें now this we have to complete it. So Tarani is a star. Heading क्या? Tarani is a star. The result of All India Painting Competition are just out. Tarani, a student of our school, has won the first prize. She has broken all previous records as she has been declared first in all categories. She has made the school proud. The principal congratulate her. The President of India, अब इसमें invited for a tea आएगा ना, गैप है. The President of India invited her for tea. So now move to the next page. It is the curriculum vitae, या इसको हम शॉर्ट फॉर्म में CV और इसको हम रिज्यूम भी बोलते हैं. जब भी हम कहीं पर जॉब के लिए अप्लाई करते हैं या तो इसमें एक पेपर शीट होता है, उसमें हमारी क्वालिफ़िकेशन होती है और हम क्या क्या हमने किया है, तो सब कुछ होता है उसमें. ओके, सो नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू रीड इट, सो लिसन इट केयरफुली. सोनाली अपीयर्ड फॉर एन इंटरव्यू फॉर द पोस्ट ऑफ इंग्लिश टीचर. For the post of English teacher, she was asked some questions. Imagine yourself to be Sonali and taking help from curriculum vitae given in the box. Write answers to the questions. The first has been डन फॉर यू. तो ये कैरिकुलम है, इसी की बेस पर सोनाली से इंटरव्यू में क्वेश्चंस पूछे गए हैं, क्योंकि जो इन्फॉर्मेशन उनके पास है तो उसी की बेस पे पूछेंगे. अब आपको इसमें क्या करना, इमेजिन दैट यू आर सोनाली. सबसे पहले हम कैरिकुलम पढ़ते हैं. इसका नेम सोनाली सिंह, क्वालिफिकेशन MA इंग्लिश, मैरिड 10 years हो गए हैं मैरिड को. टीचिंग एक्सपीरियंस 10 years, सर्विस इन रूरल एरियाज 4 year. बुक्स रिटन, कितनी बुक्स लिखी हैं? 2 English टेक्स्ट बुक. So now we will do it. For how long you have taught English? I have taught English for 10 years. तो किस में 10 years का दिया? In what subject have you done honors? किस में आपने honors करी है? तो what you will write? I have done English honors. किस में करी है? English में honors करी. You can see here BA, फिर इसमें English honors लिखा हुआ है. Then why you have not gone in for higher studies? तो तुम higher studies क्यों नहीं गए हो? I have not gone for higher studies because I have 2 young children. For how long have you been married? कितने साल हो गए हैं शारिद को? I have been married for 10 years. Have you written any book? देखिए इसमें 2 English text book लिख रखा है. Yes, I have written 2 English text book. Have you ever served in a village? Yes, I have served in a village for 4 years. Now page number 61. Read the following news report taken from C3, the Fearless Fighter unit, where there is will of my English reader. C. Janaki swims the channel. Despite Janaki's legs being made useless by polio, she has made India proud by swimming across the English. The underlined words tells us of an action that is completed at the time of speaking. अब इसमें जो underlined word है has made, ये बता रहा है, ये action बता रहा है जो जब हम बोल रहे हैं तभी action complete हो चुका है. Read the following headlines and news report. Underline words in the report that tells of an action completed at the time of speaking. Okay? तो Tata Tech chairman resigned for personal reason. The chairman of Tata Tech has resigned. तो इसमें has resigned पर underline करेंगे. from his job because of some personal reason. Second, faster and cheaper computer developed. Scientists in USA have developed faster and cheaper computers. Delhi police bust a gang of car thieves. The Delhi police has bust a notorious gang of car thieves. Page number 62. ना एक्सपेंड द फॉलोइंग न्यूज़ हेडलाइन. तो पहले जो हमने सिर्फ एक्शन वर्ड्स थे उनको अंडरलाइन किया, अब हमें एक्सपेंड करना है. जैसे इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल स्टार्ट्स, अब इसको एक्सप्लेन करना है, एक्सपेंड करना है, थोड़ा बढ़ाना है. द इंटरनेशनल फिल्म फेस्टिवल हैज़ स्टार्टेड इन न्यू दिल्ली. मतलब जब हम बोल रहे हैं तो ऑलरेडी वो वहाँ पर स्टार्ट हो चुका है. राइज इन द डेथ ड्यू टू रोड एक्सीडेंट. द डेथ रेट हैज़ राइज इन ड्यू टू रोड एक्सीडेंट्स. Water wells in rural areas dry. The water wells in rural areas have dried. इंटीग्रेटेड टेंसेस प्रैक्टिस. इसमें ज़रूरी नहीं कि केवल पास्ट परफेक्ट हो, प्रेजेंट भी हो सकता है, पास्ट भी हो सकता है, सबका मिला जुला है. तो नाउ वी विल डू इट. Sunday, as everyone knows, is named after the sun, which is B. जो मैंने आपको शुरू में बताया, is, am, are, ये सारे B के ही रूप हैं. तो यहाँ पर is worshipped all over the world. Monday is named, जहाँ पर B है हमने उसको is लिखा है, named after the moon. They have, अब have के साथ B नहीं लिखेंगे, have के साथ हमेशा have been ही आएगा. Have been worshipped on this day in ancient days. Tuesday is named after Tin, the god who had only one hand and had lost the other while capturing a terrible wolf. Next, Wednesday is named after Woden, and Thursday after Thor. Thor, who say very strong, had a simple way of solving problem. He killed, क्योंकि ये बात हो चुकी है, anyone who went near him at that time. Friday is named after Thor's mother Frigga, and Saturday took its name from Saturn. Find the correct words to fill up the blanks. अब इसमें हमें ये blanks को fill करना है और correct words, according to the correct words हम इसको fill करेंगे. Mount Kanchenjunga is a mountain peak in the Himalayan range. It is the third highest peak in the world and is known as a deity of Sikkim. Deity मतलब देवता. This peak stands to a height of 8,598 meters and was first scaled in 1955 by a British team. But now some people are objecting to the fact that so many people claimed to climb the mountain peak. They believed that just as no one climbed the statue of any god, in the same way no one should climb mountain Kanchenjunga. By climbing the peak, people are insulting it. So here children, we have completed our unit 7, and from the next class we will start our unit 8 sentence. So it is very important for us chapter or sentence. Here you will know the different what is sentence, different types of sentence. So tomorrow we will deal with the new unit, that is unit 8 sentence. Till then, have a nice day.